Hello students, I hope you all are fine and you are taking good care of yourselves. Children, in the earlier video, you have studied and revised chapter number 1, numbers up to 200. Today children, we are going to start with our next chapter. So just a second children. Here you can see there is a vase. On my right hand side, there is a bunch of flowers in which there are 4 flowers, and on my left hand side there is another bunch of flowers, and counted children, how many flowers are there in the bunch in which I am holding? Yes, there are 3 flowers in it. So what I will do is I will put both these bunches in this vase. So this bunch I have taken and I am putting it in this vase. So in the vase, how many flowers are there? Yes, there are 4 flowers. Now I am putting this bunch in the vase. So now, how many flowers I have put children? 3 flowers I have put. So if we count the total number of flowers in this vase, so how many it will be? Just count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 flowers in this vase. So what I got? 4 flowers and 3 flowers is equal to 7 flowers. So I think you must have understood. We are going to study today chapter number 2, that is addition. Children, just see the looking back here. Looking back means revising the concept which you have already studied in standard 1. Children, see the first point. When we put the things together, we add them. Just see here, there is a bunch of flowers in which there are 5 flowers. So they have written the number 5 here. In this bunch, there are 2 flowers. So that number they have written it here. So now what they have done is they have put all the flowers together and they have made a bunch here, and if you count there are 7 flowers in this bunch. So we understand that 5 and 2 flowers make 7 flowers. Here you can see there is a sign which is made up of a slipping line and a standing line. This sign is called as the plus sign children. So how do we read it? 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. Here the number 7 is the answer of 5 plus 2. So the answer, just see here, the answer is called the sum. So here the number 7, which is the answer of 5 plus 2, is called the sum. For example, if I take another number, say 4 plus 1, how many will I get children? Yes, I will get 5. So in this question, can you tell me which number is the sum? Yes, the number 5 is the sum because 5 is the answer of addition. Children, now we will study about doubles in which we add a number by the same number. And this doubles, you should learn it well so that you can add your numbers quickly. So let us begin. See, the first question is 1 plus 1. Here, see here, I am taking 1 Rajma seed and I am putting 1 more Rajma seed. So 1 plus 1 is equals to how many Rajma seeds children? Yes, it will be 2 Rajma seeds. Now children, let us do the next question. Here they are saying to take 2 Rajma seeds. I have taken 2 Rajma seeds. Then they are saying to put 2 more Rajma seeds. So just count how many Rajma seeds? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer becomes 4. Now they are saying to do 3 plus 3. So I am taking 3 rajma seeds and I am taking more 3 rajma seeds. So total how many rajma seeds, children? Just count. Yes, there are 6 rajma seeds. That means 3 is equals to 6. Now children, they are saying to take 4 rajma seeds. So I have taken 4 rajma seeds and again 4 more rajma seeds I am putting in that. So total how many rajma seeds? Yes, it will be 8 rajma seeds. So we got 4 plus 4 is 8. Now we will do 5 plus 5. For that I am taking rajma seeds here and then I am putting more. Children, yes, I will put 5 more rajma seeds. So count total how many rajma seeds are there? Yes, there are 10 rajma seeds. So 5 plus 5 is equals to 10. Now let us do 6 plus 6. So I am taking 6 rajma seeds here. Just see, I have taken how many, children? Yes, 6 rajma seeds and I am putting more 6 rajma seeds. So how many, children? All of them are how many rajma seeds? Yes, there are 12 rajma seeds. So we get 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Now children, we will do 10 plus 7. So here I am taking 7 rajma seeds and I am putting in that 7 more rajma seeds. So total how many rajma seeds are there? Yes, if you count, you can see there are 14 rajma seeds. So 7 plus 7 makes 14. Now they are saying to do 8 plus 8. So I have taken here 4. I am taking more 4. So it is 8. Now again I am taking 4 and again 4. So this is also 8. So 8 and 8, put them together and count. Yes, total how many rajma seeds? 16. So 8 plus 8 plus 16. Now children, they are asking us to do 9 plus 9. You can also take rajma seeds with me and you can also do this activity along with me. Yes, so I am taking 9 rajma seeds here and I will put more 9 rajma seeds. So let me take more 9 rajma seeds. So just count how many rajma seeds are there. Yes, you got 18. So we understand 9 plus 9 is 18. Now children, let us solve 10 plus 10. So here I am taking few rajma seeds and again, yes, these are 10, children, you can count. Then again, how many rajma seeds do I need to put? Again, I need to put 10 more. Yes, I am putting 10 more. So just count total how many rajma seeds are there? Yes, they are 20. So we understand that 10 plus 10 is 20. Now this doubles, you need to learn it well, children. What you need to learn it well? 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 4 is 8. 5 plus 5 is 10. 6 plus 6 is 12. 7 plus 7 is 14. You can also say with me, 8 plus 8 is 16. 9 plus 9 is 18. 10 plus 10 is 20. So learn this very well. If you know the double of any number, then you can easily find the double. For example, if you know 2 plus 2 is how many, children? See here, 2 plus 2, how many? 4. Yes. So what they are saying that take 2 rajma seeds and now take 3 rajma seeds. So total how many rajma seeds? 5. So just see 5 comes after 4 because see here there was 2 here and now here there is 3. So it has increased by 1. So the answer also has increased by 1. Now children see here. The next question is, one second. Yes, the next question is 4 plus 4. So I have taken 4 Rajma seeds. In that I have put 4 more. So we know 4 plus 4 is 8. Now let us solve this side. If we know 4 plus 4 is 8, then 4 plus 5 will become how many children? 9. So let us see whether we are getting 9. See here I have taken 4 Rajma seeds and I am putting in that 5 more Rajma seeds. You can count. Yes, we have got 9 Rajma seeds. Now let us solve the next question. Here they are saying 6 plus 6. So we know 6 plus 6 is 12, isn't it? So now they are asking us how many will be 6 plus 7. So I am taking 6 here and I am putting 7 in that. So see here 6 plus 7 will be 13. So if we know the double of a number, we can easily find the near double. For example, 5 plus 5 is 10. So 5 plus, take the next number after 5 is 6. 5 plus 6 will be 11 because here it is increased by 1. Isn't it, children? Now we know 7 plus 7 is 14. So 7 plus, take the next number after 7 is 8. It has increased by 1, isn't it? So what will be the answer? Increase 14 by 1. What you will get? Yes, you will get 15. Now children, 8 plus 8 is 16. So 8 plus, which number should I write? Yes, I should write 9. So 8 plus 9 will be how many children? Tell me quickly. Yes, 17 because you know 8 plus 8 is 16. So 8 plus 9 will become 17. So children, if you know the double of a number, then you can quickly find the near double. So it is important that you learn the doubles well, so that you can add the numbers quickly. So what we have studied today? We have studied that putting together means addition. Then we have studied that this is the plus sign. It is the sign of addition. Then we have also studied that when we add any two numbers, we get the answer which is called as sum. So that's all, children. Thank you.